This is really important. And I think, you know,
So like right now,
yes.
how easy would it be for an actor to steal the things that are like not the things that are released about Scarlett Johansson's voice, but the RL things you're talking about, the unhobblings?
I mean, all extremely easy, right? You know, DeepMind even like they don't make a claim that it's hard, right? DeepMind put out their like whatever frontier safety something, and they like lay out security levels, and they security level 0 to 4, and 4 is this one resistant to state actors, and they say we're at level 0, right? And then just recently there's like an indictment of a guy who just like stole the code, a bunch of like really important AI code, and went to China with it, and all he had to do to steal the code was copy the code and put it into Apple Notes and then export it as PDF, and that got past their monitoring, right? And Google is the best security of any of the AI labs, probably because they have the Google infrastructure. I mean, I don't know, roughly I would think of this as like, security of a startup, right? And like, what does security of a startup look like, right? It's not that good. It's easy to steal.